Now that the economy is beginning to expand, we're finding a lot of businesses out there that are sitting on cash. But guess what? That can be a really bad idea. You don't want to miss this next segment. Hi, I'm Dave Nabity of Nabity Business Advisors. Now that the economy has really taken off, we're finding a lot of companies that are starting to make money and they're starting to store cash inside their companies. Now, we're seeing a couple things that just don't make any sense. One is that the cash that they have sitting in the business is sitting in a checkbook or it's in a very low interest bearing account. And with just some simple changes, you can move that money into investments that will be secure, that will not be subject to stock market ups and downs, and you'll earn much higher interest rates on what you're investing in. So if you just take a look at this for a second, this is your corporation and that's your bag of money. Does it make sense to have that bag of money just earning nothing? By simply putting together a bond ladder of municipal bonds, you can go from earning nothing to maybe 2 to 3%, depending upon how you put the bond ladder together. And guess what? The interest is tax-free. And they're individual bonds. You can sell them at any time, so they're liquid. So why would you just let your cash sit there and earn nothing? Doesn't make a whole lot of sense. For money that might last longer than 3 years, that you think you might invest for the long term, you can actually invest it in other items that would maybe have some mutual funds or some indexes or ETFs or things like that. So you can really increase the amount of money that you're earning on that money inside the corporation. So that's the first thing that I want to talk about. Let's see if we can't make a better use of the money that you're having sitting around just in case you might need it down the road. Okay, now let's talk about the other problem with cash sitting in the company. I don't know what business you're in, but if you're in a business where there could be a liability claim against your company, maybe you are in the trucking business, maybe you're in the construction business, maybe you're in a business where somebody could get killed or hurt, maybe you've got some way that there could be an accident of some type, and people see that you've got this company and you got all this money sitting inside that company. Guess what? The lawyers are going to have a field day suing you and your business to try to get at that bag of money. Now, depending upon the type of company that you have, your accountants might be able to help you distribute that money and put that money on your personal financial statement. You go ahead and invest it just like you do now when it's in the company. And if the company needs the money, you can always loan it back. Leaving big amounts of cash inside the business might make you a sucker for an attorney that is trying to sue you because somebody got hurt and they think you got big bucks. So those are just a few things to think about when you're talking about managing your company finances. Now, my firm, we're really good at getting into the weeds of how you're managing the finances of the business and how you're investing the money inside your company, and we can help you come up with a number of strategies to make better use of the money that you have sitting on your financial statement. So if you'd like some information on that, give me a call at the number that's on the screen or send me an email at the email that's on the screen, and let's get together and let's talk about the possibilities.